On the ice right now, representing Team Europe, the pairs team of Anuschka Gläser and Axel Rauschenbach, and they will skate to music from the movie Schindler's List. And for two Germans who are not Jews, this has proven to be a controversial choice of music. Schindler's List is a movie about the Holocaust.
Axel said it's very difficult for a German to skate to this music, but he said this is a story that should not be forgotten.
Speed here. The lift goes directly into throw triple sow cow, and they doubled it. Side-by-side double toe loops. Very difficult combinations of moves. She got stuck a little bit on her toe and almost collided with him. Classic pair move, the back outside death spiral.
Anuschka Gläser and Axel Rauschenbach and the music of Schindler's List. That is also a choice of Katharina Witt for one of her programs while touring with Stars on Ice. Gläser and Rauschenbach from Team Europe.